Hello. Today I'll be making pasta with baked cherry tomatoes and capers, which I'm gonna bake them with the cherry tomatoes in the oven for 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And this is how I'm gonna do it. So place the cherry tomatoes facing up. And so now I'm gonna marinate everything. So I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil all around them. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, a little bit of sugar to caramelize them, like just a pinch of sugar. And I'm putting oregano. The dates, the capers, actually you can fry them, but I'm gonna bake them together with the tomatoes, with the cherry tomatoes, you know. So I'm preheating the oven at 400 Fahrenheit or 200 degrees, and these are gonna be baking for 40 to 45 minutes. So we're going to create that dry tomato, you know, look. Stay tuned. So the cherry tomatoes and the capers are baked and ready. And I'm going to make the sauce. Stay tuned. So now I'm getting the baked tomatoes, cherry tomatoes, and I'm gonna put them in the blender, blending them well. So the rest of the tomatoes and the capers, I'm gonna put them all in a bowl, saving them for to garnish the final plate. Stay tuned. And this is the garnish that I'm saving for to put the plate together at the end. Stay tuned. So now I'm blending. So I'm putting some anchovies fillets in here. We're just gonna melt them. Salted the water. I'm gonna make the rigatoni. We have the anchovies already. I'm just gonna put the tomato sauce. So I'm putting the tomato sauce that I made. The sauce is almost ready. The sauce and the pasta is ready. We're just gonna add the garnish now. It smells delicious, and I hope you guys try it. I'm adding some lemon zest. So now we're garnishing with the capers and the baked cherry tomatoes. And at the end, I'm just gonna add some cottage cheese. Hope you try. Bon appetit. So the rigatoni pasta is ready, and the sauce with the baked cherry tomatoes and capers looks amazing and smells delicious, and I hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit. Hello. Today I'm making risotto, asparagus risotto. All you need a bunch of asparagus. These are organic. Everything here is organic. And cut the heads off separate so you can use it for display in the risotto. A handful of garlic, 1 white onion, geese butter, olive oil, a cup of risotto. That is especially to make the risottos. And carrots. I'm using them because I have them. And you'll need a cup of white wine. And this is all. Stay tuned. A handful of diced garlic. Gonna saute them and with the onion. I'm using cast iron pan. And I'm adding the risotto, the rice. And adding some, you can add the vegetable water, or broth, or chicken broth, whatever you like. In another pan, I'm just going to saute the asparagus. Half a cup of wine, or a cup of wine, whatever you have. Salt and pepper, fresh pepper. And then we're going to add these carrots. Lower the temperature. And add the butter here. I'm adding ghee butter. And that's it. So we added the asparagus and the butter. The risotto is almost ready. We're adding the Parmesan Reggiano. And it's done. So today we're making tail lobster tails. A little bit of olive oil and butter and garlic, fresh garlic. Salt. pepper. And let it cook for a little bit to medium temperature. In the first pan. So the lobsters are almost ready. I'm just gonna add some lemon juice. Parsley, and we're ready. And now I'm going to add the tomato sauce that we have prepared previously with it. And I'm going to let it cook for like 5 minutes. And it's ready to serve with our pasta. With our spaghetti. And this is like delicious. Smells amazing. I added some basil to the sauce. And it's ready. The lobster tails are ready with the tomato sauce, and I just added the basil on top. And I hope you guys give it a try. This is it. And this is the lobster tail pasta. Hope you guys give it a try. Bon appetit.